Guys, here's the WaveScan for September 27th, 2006. I mean, right now, I kind of like, it's kind of, on the index, it feels kind of toppy. The move has been very slow and choppy. Almost, it hasn't been a smooth ride up, but yeah, I would like to see the Dow reach a new high myself, personally. It'd be great. It'd be wonderful, you know. But here's what I think what's happening right now is that people think that there's a camp that believes that in October there'll be a crash in the market, just because it's October. I don't know if they say a crash, but there's some editorials out there, some people just saying there's a crash. I don't believe there's gonna be a real crash in the Nasdaq, S&P, and Dow, because they're the ones that are performing this year. Indexes that are performing. I think where the crash is going to be is what you're staring at right now: gold and oil. And I'm sure you heard about Amaranth. They're going to be liquidating their entire portfolio in October. And I don't think that's going to be the only one. There could be a lot more. I mean, a lot of these hedge funds are fully invested in commodities. And for months, I was telling them, you saw my pictures on MySpace. I was warning people about a crash, and it happened a couple days afterwards. That was the beginning. That's the A leg. So the C wave is coming up, or the downward 3. Take a look at the OIH. See, I think we're either in the C wave or a downward 3. Let's see, A wave. This is OIH. A, B is a C. Here's the targets for OAH. If there is going to be a full C wave, let's find out. Okay, 38. Full C wave is 114. Got to as low as 120, but a downward 3 in OAH, which is very possible since we're just going to enter October pretty soon. As low as 90, 91. This is, I think I mean, what happens in October, they sell what's bad and they buy what's good at the end of the month. What's bad is oil and gold. And if anything's going to crash, it's this crap. I mean, just for the sake of the overall economy, all the money has been put into this bad stuff. And I personally, I'm very bullish all the time. But I honestly think that there's going to be something in October. And I personally wouldn't mind seeing all the money taken out of this garbage and put into technology or growth sectors, because this is why the market has been kind of slow, because of people speculating with incredibly insane vehicles, with futures, oil. So anyway, let's go take a look at the rest of the stocks. That's all I'm going to say about that. But a lot of stuff very toppy looking. Akamai failed, pattern break failed, ABC upward. Google, ABC, Under Armour. Go Under Armour. Yeah, it drops then it pops. It's insane. Yahoo. Yeah, I would like to see Yahoo at 20. I would buy it at 20 if it got there. Just an ABC. Amazon takes out a 32.75. This up a third wave, but I just don't like it. This Nasdaq is just not. It's driving me crazy when I look at it, because it's so slow and annoying. I mean, it reminds me of all the tops that I've seen for a long time. NTLI, garbage, CHK. So these guys, see these little rallies? They're little. They're very, very tiny. They don't mean anything. So they're very, very weak rallies. They don't mean anything. All these oil stocks doesn't mean anything. Hansen. Pattern breaks at 36. But I mean, it's like this is one of the times, the few times I'm like really apprehensive because, you know, it's just not, doesn't feel right. I don't feel it, you know. I just don't, you know. Apple corrective up high, not deep enough. CHRW. I mean, these guys, I just don't believe right now. Siel, no pattern. Garmin, wow. That was one of my calls. Didn't expect that though. That's a really nice move. No pattern though. I need patterns, guys. I need wave 2, wave 3, not this crap. So we gotta be very patient. If you buy here, you might buy into a crash, and you're like, hey, I'm really intelligent, you know. Cost, you missed the pattern break, no failure. LNCR, that's horrible. I need to take off the list, I haven't done it yet. ESRX is a downward 3, but kind of a C-wave down. Not much there. KLA10, I mean, the semis are rallying, but it's not insane. It's not an incredible rally. I mean, it's just not smooth. I just don't. I want a big correction in this market because I just cannot trade this stuff. It's just, I mean, it's already happened. There's a 3, but it's very choppy, very weak. I don't like how these charts are so messy. It doesn't make it doesn't feel right. You know, I'm just going by my gut right now. I just don't trust this market right now. Just something going on. I was reading about, excuse me, I was watching on CNBC how there's the treasury market is being manipulated. There's stuff going on that I don't trust right now. I want to see what happens in October. X-ray. That would have been a great short, but it gapped down. There's no way you can catch that one. The video. Pattern break to 31.25, but I don't trust this market. Might take a couple days, guys. Just be patient, because I'm trying to be as patient as I can. But this is a website that has trading, and some of these guys are like, "Come on, trade." I'm like, guys, you don't understand. My method is finding wave 2, wave 3. If you don't see it, you do nothing. That's a wrap.